Humiliated. Elon Musk roasts Jeff Bezos. Elon Musk dethroned Jeff Bezos as the richest person on the planet. According to Forbes, Musk is the third individual in history to achieve a fortune of $200 billion. Hey guys, welcome back to your only tech channel, Space News Today, that provides you everything you need to know regarding your search. In today's video, we are going to tell you about Elon Musk's status that has recently crossed Jeff Bezos, and Elon is so happy about it. Musk reacted to Forbes' question on his new top spot in the ranking by saying, "I'm sending a giant statue of the digit 2 to Jeffrey B, along with the silver medal." In August 2020, Bezos became the first person in history to be worth $200 billion. And since then, he and Musk have been competing for the top spot, with Musk temporarily holding it in January of this year. Musk's remark was clearly not meant as a kind dig. The rivalry between the two personalities over aeronautical engineering and the prospective space tourism industry has been a source of contention in the past. Blue Origin's space race came to an end when it was unsuccessful in its proposal to build NASA's upcoming lunar mission. In April, the government space agency awarded SpaceX a $2.9 billion contract, and Bezos' business threatened legal action. We firmly believe that the issues identified with NASA's lunar lander procurement and its outcomes must be addressed to create competition and ensure a safe return to the moon for America. We've been engaged in conversations with NASA since the GAO announcement. We continue to point out the issues in the prior selection process. We've also confirmed that adding a second lunar lander award to Appendix H is legal and appropriate, and we today have an open contract. We are hopeful that NASA will take advantage of our offer, and we can all get to work. Musk responded with an image of Blue Origin's lunar lander design, criticizing its construction in the caption, deadpanning that NASA considered Blue Origin's lander unconvincing. To Christian Davenport, a Washington Post space reporter who received this message from Blue Origin and shared it to Twitter. Bezos, who is more reserved in public than his South African opponent, has indirectly denied some of Musk's core ambitions, such as colonizing Mars. "My friends who want to move to Mars, I say do me a favor. Go live on the top of Mount Everest for a year first, and see if you like it because it's a garden paradise compared to Mars." The rivalry doesn't end here. It has now even continued to federal court in form of the regulators. I think I've expressed my thoughts on that front. I think he should put more of his energy in getting to orbit rather than lawsuits, Musk mentioned at the CodeCon 2021 conference in California. "You cannot sue your way to the moon, no matter how good your lawyers are," Musk added. Including some fun to the seriousness, Elon Musk just saw a hilarious joke on Twitter that mocked Jeff Bezos' imminent space trip, or edge of space. The meme appears to have made an impression on Tesla CEO Elon Musk because he made a haha remark. When Elon Musk types down a simple haha, it's no longer that easy. When you add two well-known rivalry corporations, you get a hot topic to gossip about. It appears that Bezos' Edge of Space project turned out to be Musk's Edge of Humor. On July 20th, Bezos will go into space for the first time. Richard Branson has already entered into the commercial spaceflight realm, putting him ahead of Bezos in the race to space. What's more noteworthy is that the identical guy who laughed at Bezos' space trip joke was a staunch Branson supporter. In any firm, competition is a normal occurrence. Musk and Bezos are well-known competitors, as both of their companies compete in the field of aerospace. As a result, it's understandable that a simple meme poking fun at a rivalry piqued Musk's interest. It appears that even the edge of space isn't enough for the meme's creator. Musk immediately joined in on the laughter. It's another matter if this is a genuine example of good humor or an evident case of sour grapes. Let's put that question aside for the time being because it has the potential to spark another round of memes. On July 20th, Bezos will travel to the edge of space on the spaceship New Shepard. The flight, which will last 11 minutes, will travel slightly above the Kármán line. The Kármán line is an imaginary barrier that separates the Earth's atmosphere from outer space. And not surprisingly, it has proven to be the dividing line between good humor and rivalry. This isn't the first time Musk has poked fun at Bezos. Not long ago, the two billionaires were entangled in a verbal battle. Both of them put in a lot of effort criticizing each other's plans to conquer space. While Musk was quick to compare Blue Origin's lunar lander Blue Moon to blue balls, Bezos was just as quick to insult Musk's goal of conquering Mars. Not to mention the time Musk called Bezos a copycat in reaction to an MIT technology review piece announcing Amazon's ambitions to deploy more than 3,000 internet-providing satellites, replacing the cat portion of the term with a cat emoji. And now we have another story to add to their sparring history with the haha. it appears that the two tech giants are fighting over space here on Earth. And yeah, irony is the word you are seeking for once more. When it comes to these people, we never run out of that element. In an interview with the New York Times, Blue Origin CEO Bob Smith claimed NASA's choice was unfair because it misunderstood the value of Blue Origin's proposal and minimized the technical obstacles faced by SpaceX. He also claimed that NASA had put a greater focus on the bottom line cost than it had previously stated. With having a lot of fun, Elon casually roasts Jeff Bezos. In Spanish, he also called him Jeffrey Kisses. No amount of money can defy physics. Musk replied to another tweet regarding Germany's plan to invest $10 billion in hydrogen projects. As Jeffrey Bezos is amply illustrating, he followed up with another tweet. The post is a touch mysterious, as are many of Tesla CEO Elon Musk's tweets, and allows some space for interpretation. Given that Blue Origin is SpaceX's main competitor in the aerospace sector, it's reasonable to believe he's mocking Bezos' aspirations at space travel and exploration. After all, Bezos is said to be enraged that high-paying federal contracts are going to SpaceX. The misspelling of Bezos' name, however, has piqued our interest. Jeffrey Bezos translates to Jeffrey Kisses in Spanish. In any way, Musk is demonstrating that he doesn't care enough to double-check that his fellow billionaire's name is spelled correctly before tweeting. The jabs were part of a bigger discussion over Germany's investment in hydrogen technology, which Musk is well known for opposing. In fact, Tesla CEO Elon Musk once described Nikola, a hydrogen-powered car startup, as staggeringly dumb. He is convinced that hydrogen fuel cells are inefficient and unsuitable as a source of energy for vehicles. It's an interesting discussion to have. Musk, on the other hand, has a talent for turning a stimulating discussion into yet another mudslinging meme post. Nonetheless, the long-running dispute between Musk and Bezos is well known, particularly in relation to their competing rocket companies. Both billionaires are competing to lower the cost of space travel, but NASA only sees SpaceX ignoring Bezos, but there are valid reasons behind this. SpaceX is the first commercial corporation to send humans and robots to the International Space Station. Bezos created Blue Origin in 2000 with the goal of lowering the cost of space travel in the future. Bezos pledged to sell $1 billion of his Amazon.com stock each year to help fund Blue Origin in 2017. So what is your take on this matter? Tell us in the comments. If you want to see our upcoming videos, ring the bell icon and don't forget to like our video as well. That's all from my side. Thanks for watching.